Prabowo, he's passed, like a policy to introduce mathematics starting at the kindergarten level. So I'm wondering, would you be in favor of a policy whereby they start implementing English starting at the kindergarten level as well?
Well, yeah, the way I look at it is kindergarten is to play, if I may suggest. And elementary school, you have two levels, kelas bawah, kelas atas. Kelas bawah is first, second, third grade.
Oh, okay.
Kelas atas is fourth, fifth, and sixth. Then you can introduce into kelas atas.
English, I mean.
English or any other international language, because that's the period in which they were able to read. Because the idea is preschool is to play and kindergarten is to play. Learn and play. Okay?
Learn through play.
Learn through play. But also how we educate parents to realize the importance of language. It is important for now to have everyone able to speak English.
Beyond just parental support, which obviously is very important, I think what is also important is that there is societal support to encourage people to speak, again, I like what you said, not a foreign language, but an international language, and see it as something that is more of a utilitarian purpose, because we need to know how to speak an international language in order to be a part of the global stage. And rather this thing of like, oh, you're pretending to be an intellectual. Like, how often do you hear people like say, orang yang sok Inggris, oh, she must hate Indonesia.
Right. And on that, I would use Soekarno as an example.